So what to do in case that you get the paper jam for this Brother printer. The name is in the title of the video. In most cases a bit of paper will remain here, and even if you try to remove it, it will not work because it's stuck there really well. So first of all you need to unplug the cable with the power. So the light goes off. Then you just need to pull the lid like this, and in most cases the paper is stuck in the toner, so you need to just remove the toner like this. You grab it like this and you just take it out, and the paper will be stuck here, and you just remove it. So this is the paper. Then you insert the toner back like this until it makes a click like this. Then you just place everything back. You insert new paper and you're good to go. Just put the cable back on, press to start the power button, and it should work. You need to be careful not to use paper that it's a bit bigger than usual, in case that you have some old A4 paper. In some cases you will get paper jam, or if the paper has bent parts, bent corners, it's a good idea to just use high quality paper. Alright, so I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.